Create a specialized tutorial on emulating specific film stocks and vintage film aesthetics through color grading. Teach color science behind famous film stocks, Kodachrome, Fujifilm, Agfa. Demonstrate creating authentic film grain that appears natural rather than applied. Cover tonal curves that replicate film response characteristics. Teach creating faded film look while maintaining image legibility. Include techniques for color shifts characteristic of aged film. Demonstrate creating film stock preset systems for consistent application. This tutorial targets photographers seeking film aesthetics, videographers, and vintage enthusiasts.